execute this event. Mozambique Sharif is part of our team also. He is also one of our sponsors who is financing our event. And today, the Umrah ticket जो आ रही है हमारी पुरानी से तो मुज़म्मिल भाई उसको जो है सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं. और इसके अलावा I see Advocate Zubair Khan साहब, very humble person, always helpful and supportive. I would like to thank him also for coming from Rockford. So please give a round of applause. Third Taki Sam is also supporting us. Last year also he supported us. He is on the way. I think he will also be here in 20 minutes or so. Then we have Shahid Javed, a very known face, probably all of you might know him. Unfortunately, he is not here because of his working conditions. But he passed his message. We should thank all of you. Last but not the least, so we are working in a different mode. I mean, let's say we are not Gen Z people, but we're still, connected more to the technology. So on our social media, we have promoted a lot, and it helped us quite a lot to connect the community and bridge the gaps between the community. So this is our WhatsApp group. We have created a community, and this community group, we have Pakistanis from all across N.a.q in all the major cities. Within this community, we have created some subgroups, like we have a professional community around 200 Pakistani professionals working in multinational companies, not only in private companies, but also in the public entities, helping the German government and the German public institutions. So we also have that. So in case if any one of you are interested, feel free to join us. We also have a WhatsApp group and also a Facebook group where we are posting all our events and all our updates and trying to solve the issues, helping the students, helping the businesses, helping the community to get out of any situation which they might have. So having said that, I think I would like to thank speech. I would end my conversation with this thing, Pakistan Zindabad, and I will hand it over to Sarah and Usman.